How to get Jiffy Lube promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Jiffy Lube promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Jiffy Lube. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one. Simply Codes. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer for Jiffy Lube. Just scroll and check. So you can see that here are the codes. You can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. You're gonna get 50% off, $10 off, $25 off, and many more offers. In order to use the code, click on this option of Use Code. You will be directed to the official website of Jiffy Lube. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and toss it to checkout. In the checkout page, type in this code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Also try out other offers, as in this page you're gonna find tons of offers for Jiffy Lube. So this is how you can easily get Jiffy Lube. Working promo code for Jiffy Lube. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.